Dude, like, I knew that this was gonna happen from the start. You know, I've been looking at this weather stuff.
I know. I won't be looking at the weather. I just be guessing where it would come true. Yes, ma'am.
They're gonna be in there probably until this lets up.
Until like 9. So stop at 9.
Man, that they might stay in there until church ends.
Like at 6 or 7. Maybe we end up at 6 or 7.
You gonna look at this storm on radar?
We're gonna look at this storm until when church is over. Then we're gonna stop recording.
Dude, we've been here for like 3 hours now.
Right. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Did you see a lady with a black dress on? Oh, type of plain black dress? She went in there. Did she go downstairs? She I can't wait till we go to McDonald's. The man said ghost train. And then
Just to focus on this.
hey, you guys see a little girl? A little dress on, pink dress on.
Yeah, she just went inside.
Downstairs, inside the church. She went outside.
I don't know if we're under a warning or not. You're welcome.
We just sound remember.
Dude, this is what I be doing. I'm at home. I just be. I've been in this weather
you
stuff.
just be staying outside.
I be inside my house videotaping from my window.
Like in the windows, you be taping. Does your cat be in there?
Huh?
Do your cat be in the window?
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah, it's not raining as hard now, but it's gonna pick up soon.
I love Felicia and I left my car at McDonald's. Oh, I thought I seen your car.
Is it rain?
A little bit.
I gotta find my keys.
Like an old woman.
This probably is. It's probably not gonna storm anymore.
I know why they leave and some people leave early because they don't want to stay here longer until church ends. You know, like why people leaving because they don't want to be staying here until church ends out.
It's just constant lightning now. Ooh.
Oh, dang.
I think I probably got that one on camera.
Very hard. It was just like thunder that we saw it down those because we live on a beach. So, you know, we was on natural bridge and looking behind the road over there by that Domino's and chicken. You don't know.
I actually do know what you're talking about.
Oh, natural bridge and looking behind it.
I live right near, I live near Natural Bridge, but I don't live near Lucas and Hunt no more. I moved there.
Lucas and Hunt, that's where our school is.
That's near Jennings.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah,
It's near Jennings and Pine Line.
Yeah, it's over there by that Natural Bridge Library. So you go past that library, you keep on going through, and then you will see Lucas Proctor right there. That's how you would get to the school. Usually our bus just come like 7, 8, 15, or 18.
Surprising that you guys
It's
have
some
buses,
other
because my school don't have
Some
buses.
other kids' bus who else be coming early, like 8:06. They be coming early. The other kids. That used to mess with us one day. I know. Then we started messing with them. Then it stopped. So we never seen each
That's a good flag.
Hey, don't open the door. Oh, that's nasty. Do not open it. Alright, do not open it. Oh, dang. Alright, Chance, look.
Why not?
Father's Day, Six Flags. My dad decided he wanted to take us to Six Flags. He didn't take us. My mom told me,
And my cousin was her Ashley.
What is she
with the
wearing?
black dress.
Yeah.
Yeah. She went down. Well, I think she is on her way. She right here.
Where was you at? You left us. No, you left us. No, where was your birthday? Here, just go up there.
Way out in Wentzville. I think this is my first time being way out here. Never really been out here before. I've been to Kansas City.
I never been inside Kansas City. I never been. I forgot to touch it.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, it's really heavy.
Come on, let's go. No, I'm talking about going downstairs. Look, yeah. This one. Wawa. I'm trying to play. Rolling. Hey, my mama in there.
Okay.
She is black.
Church service, installment of a new pastor.
Most of the lightning is right back here. My west has to be right behind me. It's a nice little crawl. Way back there where I struck at. Yeah, I'm at another church service, just like the one yesterday. Got video of that storm. I did take some more video of that storm yesterday, but deleted that video. Actually took 2 more videos, but I deleted those. It wasn't really much going on. In the first 2 videos of that storm yesterday, when I was at the church car wash, well, that was supposed to be a car wash. It was a, very intense lightning. Took video of that. This storm is a squall line, as I showed you on radar. And it outflowed out, so it weakened out, and right now we're probably getting hit by it right now. Not much rain, but pretty good lightning. My videos on YouTube are long. Some are like, wow, there's a good flash over there.
Did they hurt your screen?
I would play the video for you guys, but we had to leave, so I couldn't play it. Wow!
Dang! I just saw them when I was trying to turn. Looked at the big old storm. Is this thing?
Yeah, some good lightning.
This thing don't even work.
Oh my god.
Where'd you see that one from? Here or I found some it was just all right there. That might be like, oh dang.
So yeah, if you want to stay out here, just stay right here. But if you want to go inside, just go back on inside.
I'm saying never. I'm not gonna go back inside.
Yeah, I just stay out here and record storms. That's all I do. This is a pretty good storm. Got some really good lightning strikes with it.
Hey, I'll tell you where's the lightning come. Where's the lightning come.
Ooh. Yeah, lightning can't be predictable, so you know. I don't really.
Get your mirror.
Hmm?
Get your mirror adjust.